All right, good morning, YouTube. We're going to be looking at how to make a fraction that's equivalent to 1 out of 2. So you can see this is 1 out of 2. How do you make a fraction that's equivalent to that? You could just go like this. If I just put a line across, right? So I'm putting a line across. Have I increased the size of the pizza? No. The size of the pizza is the same. All I'm doing is adding a cut. Look at. So it was 1 out of 2. Now it is 2 out of 4. Those are equivalent. So you can see you can make equivalent fractions by adding or taking away cuts. The only thing you got to make sure is that all of the slices are the same size. So if you're going to add a cut or take away a cut, all the slices have to be the same size. So I can make another equivalent fraction. If I do this, watch carefully, I'm adding a cut. But you notice this piece, small, small, big, small, small, big. So that won't work. So you have to make another cut right here. Now they're all the same size. So what kind of fraction do we have here now? We have 4/8. So once again, you can make equivalent fractions by adding cuts or taking away cuts. You just have to make sure all of the slices are the same size. So it started off as 1 over 2. Now it is 4 out of 8. Let's see, what's another one we could do here? I kind of like this one here. Draw a triangle with a right angle. Okay, so there's my right angle. Remember, a right angle is the corner of a piece of paper. Oftentimes you'll see a square here, letting you know that that's a 90-degree angle. Now they want us to make a triangle, so we're just going to connect the other line. Ooh, it looks like all of the sides are the same length. What do you call a triangle where all the sides are the same length? We have an isosceles. We have an equilateral. We have a right triangle. What were the other ones? Oh, a scalene. Sounds like someone's name. Hey, scalene, are you going to be going over to the... yes, Eli. An equilateral. Equilateral triangle. It's kind of in the definition or in the word, right? Equilateral. This is also a right triangle. I don't know if a right triangle can have all sides equal, though. Probably messed up on my drawing there, but you guys kind of get the idea. If all the sides are the same, that's an equilateral. Let's see, I'm going to do one more for the YouTubers out there. And this is a time problem. See, Jay has a baseball practice for 1.5 hours. His practice ends at 6:45. When did it start? So at this one, we're going to go backwards. 6:45. We talked about this before. You want to put the PM there in case it leaps over into the morning. And we're going to go back an hour and a half. So we go back. Now it is 5:45. Now half, you have to know what half of an hour is. An hour is 60 minutes, so half an hour is 30 minutes. 45 minus 30. If you don't know what that is, you could just go 10 minutes at a time. So now it's 5:35. You go back another 10, right? Because we're doing 30. Now we're at 5:25. Are we gone back 30 minutes yet? No. Now we do another 10. 5:15 p.m. Number line strategy for solving time problems.